Hello my lucky charms, welcome back to my channel, where art and craft pave the way for luck, peace and positivity. Happy Halloween! I know it's already past Halloween when you are watching this video, but remember to be safe when you're trick-or-treating, okay? It's been a while since I made keycaps, so today let's make a Halloween themed keycap. I'm going to use this little character from the last video as the star of today. I call it the Shadow Ghost. Alright, let's start with the base. I want this little buddy to be standing on a graveyard. I'm trying to add some colors. I think I got it wrong. I should have used brown as the base color. I was thinking of grass at the time. Nah, it doesn't matter. The green works fine. Let's trim the edges and fix up the bottom. I know I'm kind of random, but I saw these two on my counter while I was searching for glitters, and I thought they looked nice, so I wanted to try adding them for a different vibe. The white clay here actually glows in the dark. I was hoping that the little ghost would be glowing, but the character was originally black, so I'm not sure if it will still glow after mixing it like this. Well, let's try. By the way, it doesn't glow after mixing. Sad. Now I'm going to make a few crosses. Who else loves watching Spirited Away? This is probably my 5th time watching it. Using some white glue to stick them on. A bit of resin, a bit of yellow. Guess what I'm doing? Adding some golden leaves. Looks like I added too much. No, I still need to add some glitter. Let's add it to the eye socket. This is kind of ugly. Never mind, let's just make it flat. Last step. Brush, brush, brush. Behold the magic light. Another coat. Here's some keyboard ASMR. Do you guys like it? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.